Welcome to BMW factory in Berlin, where some of the world's most advanced and high-performance motorcycles are produced. In this video, we'll take a closer look at the production process of one of BMW's most popular models, the S1000RR. The S1000RR is a sport bike that was first introduced in 2009. Since then, it's become one of the most sought-after motorcycles in its class, known for its power, speed, and precision handling. But how is this remarkable machine made? The BMW S1000RR is a high-performance sport bike manufactured by BMW Motorrad, the motorcycle division of BMW. The factory where the S1000RR is produced is located in Berlin, Germany, and it is one of the most modern and technologically advanced motorcycle factories in the world. The bike goes through various stages before it's released into the hands of the owner. The BMW factory in Berlin is a state-of-the-art facility where cutting-edge technology and skilled craftsmanship come together to produce some of the world's most iconic motorcycles. The production process begins with the assembly of the bike's various components, including the engine, transmission, and frame. The factory also has a logistics department that is responsible for managing the supply chain, making sure that all the components and materials needed to build the S1000RR are delivered on time and in the right quantities. First comes an assembly line where the S1000RR is put together from its various components. The assembly line is highly automated, with robots performing most of the tasks. Next comes the engine production unit. The engine of the S1000RR is the heart of the machine and is produced in a separate area of the factory. Each one is meticulously assembled by hand by highly skilled technicians who use specialized tools and equipment to ensure that every engine meets BMW's exacting standards for quality and performance. The engine components are manufactured in various parts of the world, including Germany and Austria. These components include the cylinder head, crankshaft, connecting rods, pistons, and camshafts. Each engine is subjected to rigorous quality control checks to ensure that it meets BMW's exacting standards. This includes testing for leaks, ensuring proper tolerances, and verifying that the engine produces the correct amount of power. Once the engine is assembled and passes the quality control checks, it is fitted to a dynamometer, which is a machine that simulates the load and stresses of the S1000RR's drivetrain. This allows the engine to run at various speeds and loads to test its performance and ensure that it meets BMW's specifications. After the engine has been tested and approved, it is integrated into the rest of the bike's assembly line. This involves fitting it to the frame, connecting it to the transmission, and adding all the necessary components such as the exhaust system, fuel injection system, and electrical wiring. Overall, the engine production process of the BMW S1000RR is a highly specialized and precise operation that is carried out by skilled technicians using the latest technology and equipment. The result is an engine that is not only powerful and reliable, but also meets BMW's high standards for quality and performance. After this process, the bike is passed on to the quality control process. BMW has a rigorous quality control process to ensure that every S1000RR that rolls off the assembly line meets the company's exacting standards. Each bike is put through a series of tests to make sure it is safe and performs as intended. The S1000RR is available in a range of colors, and the factory has a state-of-the-art paint job where the bikes are painted and finished to a high standard. BMW is constantly working to improve the S1000RR, and the factory has a dedicated R&D department that is responsible for developing new technologies and improving existing ones. The research and development team at BMW Motorrad is made up of experts in various fields, including mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, aerodynamics, and materials science. These specialists work together to create a bike that is not only powerful and fast, but also safe, reliable, and efficient. The design team at BMW Motorrad is responsible for the bike's overall aesthetic and functional design. They use advanced CAD software and 3D printing technology to create prototypes and test out different design concepts, ensuring that the final product is both visually appealing and optimized for performance. And there you have it, a behind-the-scenes look at the production process of the BMW S1000RR, from its precision-engineered engine to its advanced electronics and high-tech components. Every detail of this remarkable motorcycle is carefully crafted to deliver the ultimate riding experience.